I am making this beautiful cold process soap using the wall pour technique. Let's get started. Hello and good day, you guys. I am Natacia, and in today's video I'm using the wall pour technique, but this time I will not be tilting my soap mold. I'm just gonna leave it flat on the table and see what design I get. In this technique, I am blending colors. I started off with yellow, started adding blue, started getting some green, and as I continue, you'll start seeing me add colors and it changes. Wait until the soap cut to see why this point right here is very important to the design. I build up one side to a certain extent, and then I poured a set of soap that actually poured over it, and then started another layer of different colored ombre soap. I didn't mean for that to happen, but let's see what happens in the soap design at the end when I do the soap cut. Let's get crazy. Let's add some purple to green. Like, only in soap making will I think that's crazy, but sometimes you gotta take risks. Risks, I say. Yes, I'm pronouncing all the S and K's in risks. Sometimes you gotta crack some eggs to get an omelet. But not nowadays. If you're in America, one egg is like the price of gold. But you know what I'm trying to say. Guys, I promise you I have a life. I know I sound a little off in this video, but I do have a life. My concern though with mixing purple and green is that I was gonna get like a weird brown color, and I so didn't want that. Seriously though, how many of you guys are continuing to buy egg even though it is crazy expensive? I have gone egg free. I refuse to take $42 and buy any eggs. Okay, I'm in New York and the price of egg is ridiculous. Not ridiculous, it's ridiculous. It's redamulous. It's unbelievable. And I refuse to eat eggs. I'm sorry. Not until the price of eggs go down. Enough about eggs and breakfast, you guys. These colors are coming together. They look wonderful. This is the last portion of the white that's topping off this soap, and now we got to get into cutting this soap because we got to see what design we got. Are you guys ready for the soap cut? All right, now hold on to your bamboo bam bam. Nice. What? Look at that twist in the middle. Look at the twist in the middle, ladies and gentlemen. Was that meant to happen? Not really. Does it look nice? Absolutely. Could I do it again? I don't know. I'll have to try. I really like it. It looks like a ribbon. I like the white layers at the top and the bottom because it focuses the color in the middle. And wait till you guys see what this soap look like after I bevel it and clean it up. It's gonna look absolutely phenomenal. And you guys, this soap smells beautiful and elegant. I use Bamboo and Orchid by the flaming candle, and you know, I was looking for it to show you guys, and I'm like, did they discontinue this fragrance oil? Now I gotta find somebody who has a similar fragrance oil because I think they discontinued it. I'm gonna keep looking, and I'm gonna let you guys know in the community tab what in the world happened, but it smells so elegant. Oh my goodness. But this looked like ribbons of color. It looked like ribbons or a river of color. It's absolutely beautiful and very springtime-ish. Adding purple to green didn't come out too bad, right, you guys? I mean, I know when I was adding it, it looked pretty ugly. It looked kind of gnarly. But this is why I do this. I do the crazy so you don't waste product. And then you see how mine came out and you be like, you know what, Natacia is crazy. I'm not spending my money to do that. Or you can be like, oh, Natacia is crazy, but I'm totally going to spend my money and try to do that. See? It works. You're welcome. You're welcome. She's ready to be polished and dressed up. So let's clean up on aisle 7. Clean up on aisle 7, please. Clean up on aisle 7. We need to get polished and ready because these colors are intertwining and acting a fool. Please hurry. It's time to clean up on aisle 7 and get our edges polished. Get this soap nice and shiny and pretty. She's so pretty. Look at these colors, you guys. Look how they intertwine. Look at this design. Are you guys... I mean, this came out really cute. This came out really cute, and this beveling on the edges is just making it look picture perfect. I'm telling you, this looks awesome. I think some of my best ideas come out of errors or mistakes that I make in the process of doing soap. So if you're doing a design and you think you messed up, keep going and see what the end result is going to be, because you never know, you might create your own custom design. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please share and like my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.